agree with the all circumstances and in all probability, as fast as it were, as much as were, as the matter brought forward by and by some means dealing with the, discuss the matter, every circumstance. I am certain that you are, I am inclined to think, I am persuaded, I am very glad, I think it is necessary, I think that you are, in all circumstances, in his own opinion, in the meantime, in this matter, in this country, in this respect, notwithstanding such, notwithstanding that, on either hand, on either side, on the other hand, on the other side, on these occasions, on this occasion, on this matter, peculiar circumstances, per annum, percentage, quite agree, quite agreeable, so that we may take the liberty, there were, those which we are now, those who are, those who were, through the world, to bring the matter very satisfactorily. You will agree, you will probably, as if it were, by which it was, if it is not, if it be not, if it were, in which it is, in which it has appeared, of which it has been, of which it must be, able to make, able to think, I am able to think, I am unable to think, we are able to make, you will be able to, I cannot say, I cannot be, I cannot see, I hope you will not, I may not be, I shall not be, I trust not, I was not, you cannot, you may not, you must not, you should not be, you were not, you are not, I would, if it would be, they would be, they would not be, we would, few words, in our words, many words, at any rate, at all times, at some time, at the same time, for some time, from time to time, some time ago, above there, over there, before there is, from there, has to be there, has been there, how can there be, I am sure there is, I believe there will be, I have there, I have been there, I know there is, I know there is not, more than there, pending their decision, shall be there, then there are, they have been there, though there is, upon there, we have there, we have been there, whenever there is, by some other means, I know there will be, I see there is, I think there will be, I wish there were, if there, if there is to be, if it be there, in their case, in their opinion, in their statement, in which there is, increasing their value, making their way, some other way, some other respects, or some other, in other words, in order that, in order to, my dear sir, my dear madam, my dear friend, My dear fellow citizens, I have received in other respects. In reply, we have received almost certain, just been, just received, last week, last month, last year, most probably, must be, next week, there must be, you must be, you must not be, very pleased indeed. In fact, in point of fact, telegraph office, worthwhile, in the manner, for consideration, fully considered, further consideration, I have concluded, in conclusion, into consideration, it is considered, it may be considered, little consideration, must be considered, necessary consequence, ought to be considered, and in like manner, and in the same manner, and in the same manner as, in this manner, next month, this month, as far as possible, as much as possible, as soon as possible, as well as possible, as if it were possible, just possible, between them, foundation stone, one another, towards one another, industrial life. I hope you are satisfied, and the contrary cannot be considered. Satisfactory conclusion shall be considered, shall be taken into consideration, should be considered, some consideration, take into consideration, taken into consideration, that conclusion, on satisfactory conclusion, we have concluded, were considered, which will be considered, which will be taken into consideration, as a rule, at a loss, in a few days, in a great measure, in such a manner as, for a moment, to a great extent, about the matter, all over the world, all the circumstances, at the present day, at the present time, by the way, for the first time, I will consider the matter, in the first instance, in the first place, in the second place, in the third place, in the last place, in the next place, into the matter, notwithstanding the fact, in relation to, in reply to, in respect to, it appears to me, it appears to have been, it seems to me, ought to have been, ought to have known, regret to say, on the contrary, on the one hand, on the subject, in the circumstances, what is the matter, as a matter of course, as a matter of fact, expression of opinion, in consequence of, in respect of, on the part of, out of place, short space of time. Do you mean to say, expect to receive, face to face, from first to last, having regard to, in reference to which, regret to state, we shall be glad to hear, we shall be glad to know, with reference to which, with regard to, with relation to, with respect to, again and again, deeper and deeper, higher and higher, lower and lower, faster and faster, less and less, more and more, Mr. and Mrs., nearer and nearer, north and south, east and west, over and over again, over and above, here and there, quicker and quicker, rates and taxes, time and space, wage and means, side by side, bear in mind, borne in mind, all parts of the world, fact of the matter, facts of the case, for the purpose of history of the world, out of the question, peculiar circumstances of the case, more or less, one or two, right and wrong, 6 or 7, sooner or later, 3 or 4, 2 or 3, up to the present time, in accordance with the matter, in connection with their birthday party, children's party, garden party, parliamentary party, party government, political party, Professor Jackson, Professor Morgan, Professor Peake, Professor of Chemistry, Professor of Commerce, Professor of Music, bank bills, Bank of England, bank passbook, bank rate, penny bank, savings bank, sea embankment, Thames embankment, finance bill, education bill, best attention, careful attention, early attention to the matter, my attention has been called, necessary attention, special attention, your attention, Department of Agriculture, Electrical Department, Engineering Department, Foreign Department, Government Department, Life Department, Shipping Department, Silk Department, Chancery Appeal, Chancery Proceedings, Chancery Judge, into Chancery, Journal of Commerce, Journal of Education, Medical Journal, Textile Journal, Weekly Journal, Barber and Company, Carriage Company, Delivery Company, Gas Company Limited, Weaving Company Limited, Borough Council, Cabinet Council, Councils of the Party, Parish Council, Party Councils, Town Council, Authorized Capital, Capital Charge, Capital Expenditure, Capital Punishment, Capital Receipts, Share Capital, Captain Cook, Captain Dixon, Captain in the Army, Captain of the ship, Captain of the team, Ship's Captain, Colonel Anderson, Colonel Jackson, Investment Corporation, Corporation of Leeds, India Government, British Government, French Government, Government Official, Municipal Government, Entry Form, Form of Acknowledgement, Form of Agreement, Form of Bequest, Form of Government, Form of the Report, Medical Form, Necessary Form, Law Valuation, Valuation of the Property, Valuation of the Site, Site Valuation, Authority of the Manager, Authority of the Representative, Legal Authority, Local Authority, Military Authorities, Sanitary Authority, Well-known Authority, Written Authority, for a month, in a month's time, many months ago, some months ago, Dramatic Society, Medical Society, Society of Compositors, Society of Musicians, Auditor's Mark, High Water Mark, Low Water Mark, Mark of Respect, Official Mark, Private Mark, Save the Mark, 2 mark time, Major Ensign, Major General, major zones, national affair, national bank, national defense, national desire, national disaster, national dividend, national finance, national reserve, national revenue, national society, liberal club, liberal party, liberal policy, liberal discount, liberal payment, liberal view, pairs limited, Lupin limited, better arrangement, I shall arrange, if you can arrange, it was arranged, please make arrangement, we will arrange the matter, Metropolitan Railway, Railway Company, Railway Facilities, Railway Official, Railway Rates, Railway Ticket, Railway Time, Railway Timetable, to meet the requirements, do you required, if he required, conservative club, conservative government, conservative party, conservative policy. Stop.